In this video, we're gonna learn upper, lower, and proper functions. With these functions, we can switch between upper and lower case letters when we need in a proper way. First one is upper. This function capitalizes all the letters in a text. Next one is lower, that is opposite of upper. Lower function convert whole text to lowercase letters. And proper capitalize first letter in each word to make it proper. Let's try. First one is upper. We want to convert IELTS to uppercase. Let's try. Upper and F3. You see all the letters in IELTS capitalized. Next one is lower. We want to convert www.dioko.co.uk to lowercase letters. It's pretty easy, just F4 and done. Next one is proper. It is very useful for names. Here we have a name, Frank Castle, and all the letters are capital. We want to make it proper. What does it mean? It means first letters in each word, first name and last name, will be capitalized and the rest letters will convert to lowercase letters. Let's try this one. It's proper. F5 and done. You see? Doesn't matter if whole the letters are capital or lowercase, the proper function always do the same thing. Capitalize first letters and convert the rest to lowercase letters. Next one, it's the same name from Castle, but all the letters are lowercase. Let's try it. Proper. F6 and done. Same result. But how this function detect a word to capitalize its first letter? The answer is separators. It means any letter after a separator will capitalize. This separator can be a space, a dash, or even apostrophe, or a number. Let's try them. For example, Big Bang, proper, F7, and you see the B after dash capitalized, because dash here is a separator. This can be a problem when you want to use this function on a word with apostrophe S, because we don't want apostrophe S capitalized, but this function will capitalize it too because it is after apostrophe, and apostrophe is a separator. Let's try it. Proper and F8. You see, S here is capitalized and it's not good. We don't want it, so just we have to consider it to use this function. Next one is 1992 April. Let's try. Proper. F9, and you see A in the 1st of April capitalized, because a number will consider as a separator too.
In order to watch more training videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Diako Ltd. And if you want to see our products, please visit our website, diako.co.uk.